So, Margaret, you're here today. How many weeks after your Tenjet surgery?
It's been 3 weeks.
3 weeks. And so you came to me originally, how long ago? Today is mid-June.
It's been 2 months. I came in April.
Right, and it was not your first rodeo, right? I was already your second opinion?
Yes, you were my second opinion.
Okay, so you started having pain in October in your heel, and I'm going to show the audience where it was. So it was right here. And when we did your ultrasound, you used to have plantar fasciitis. Now it's negative.
Yay!
Right? So how are you feeling 3 weeks after the Tenjet?
I feel amazing. Literally, the procedure changed my life because I had chronic pain. I had pain when I slept. I would wake up from pain. So I don't have pain anymore and I can walk again.
And if you look, I mean, in 3 weeks, you can see that little dot,
Yes.
but, you know, it's minimally invasive, so it's not like you have huge incisions and stitches or anything like that. So was it a very painful recuperation?
No, I was in St. Augustine 2 days, 3 days after surgery.
Right, and you said you walked on the beach, right?
Not in St. Augustine, but we did walk around town. I was walking
Nice.
around town and I had no problems.
Right, and before it wouldn't be possible.
No.
And you tried like cortisone injections and stretching before, and kind of when you came back to me as a second opinion, I said, you know, I think that it's enough. And the problem with cortisone is it gives you temporary relief, but it doesn't fix the issue.
No, literally, it lasted like a week or two. That was it.
Right.
And then the pain was back.
So for people who fail the non-surgical options, would you recommend Tenjet?
Absolutely.
So you had a good experience?
Yes.
All right. And it was not too painful?
It wasn't painful at all. The foot pain was more painful than the surgery.
Right. Well, thank you so much.